How to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. Gotten your information on the Snapchat, then first thing, update your application and log in into your Snapchat account. Once logged in, tap the memory icon and then swipe towards your left hand side and go to My Eyes Only. So you can reset or recover your password for My Eyes Only if you know the information of your Snapchat, such as your username or date of birth whatsoever. So here you have to go ahead and tap the options button and you will be provided with two different options, that is either to change password or forgot password. So in order to change password, you have to enter in the current one, and accordingly, if you go ahead and tap on the forgot password button, and then you will be asked to enter in the password associated with your Snapchat account. As soon as you do that, you will be taken to My Eyes Only page, and then you can access all of the photos and videos that's actually stored on your My Eyes Only. However, if you don't remember any of these following options, then you might be able to lose your information. But then if you go through these steps, you won't be able to lose any of your data. So that's how you can reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.